So here's an interesting app called Famefy for TikTok virtual celebrity experience, and let's just install it to see how it works. So if you like TikTok, if you especially want to become a TikTok influencer, a TikTok celebrity with millions of followers, then definitely check out this app. Discover the exhilaration of virtual stardom with Famefy. Step into a captivating world of live streaming and connect with millions of AI-powered simulated viewers in real time, always in the palm of your hand. Famefy offers a remarkably realistic and entertaining experience, allowing you to taste the sensation of online fame in a virtual environment. Let's try it out to see what this app is about. So, unique experience on social media. You can upgrade, or you can just select what you want to experience here. Choose your audience: fan audience, pranksters, grump, smiler, and then some other things you need to upgrade to premium, which is like $7 weekly. And the idea of this app is that overall you can kind of fake that you are like huge influencer on TikTok. It's not that you're faking, it's just this app will show you that 200,000 people are watching your live stream, and then you can feel like and imagine what will happen if how it looks like. So then you just set it up, your username. You can, for example, set, okay, all right, I want a verified account, but that's a premium feature. You can also upload your profile picture. So for example, I just have my profile picture, which you can just add here, and then you can just go live to see what it will look like. So then, for example, I just need to give permissions. And then, something like that, go live. And then you can see like your viewers. And then these are like a lot of like AI bots here, but this is just for you to have fun and experience what it would be like if, a lot of people would actually watch your streams. Here you will see, okay, there are like 300 people watching. You can boost to 100,000. You can see your guests. You can see hosts, like okay, these are all just like fake buttons. But this is for you, you need to understand that, this is not real. These are not real people. This is just like a fun app, kind of pranking app for you to have fun. And if you're struggling to get any views on TikTok, wherever, you can just browse this app like that, and then you can just get some idea and get some motivation and inspiration. And then, so here you have that. And that's how it looks like. It slowly goes up. So number of viewers like 351. Hopefully if you use the app more, it will go up. I thought it would be like 50,000 viewers, but there you have it. And then here you have some supportive comments in the bottom. That's what it is. And then I can just end live. Then there is Famefy, and then you can also try Instagram stream as well. So that's the app. Quite fun idea. Try it out.